For our 13 nights in Puerto Escondido, we booked through booking.com. We spent 7 nights at Bungalow Zicatela for 887 Canadian, including breakfast, then 6 nights at Bikini Beach House in La Punta for 405 Canadian with no breakfast, averaging 1,300 Canadian for both spots. All right, we made it to Bungalow Zicatela. We are here. And let's take a look at our room. Oh, look at you. All right, so we got 2 double beds. We got a fridge, a TV.
AC is what we needed the most.
Ooh, give us a pose.
AC. The most, for sure.
AC up there. It is so hot, so. And then we got a shower, a sink, a toilet, all we need. And then I'll show you all the patio outside. If I can unlock it. All right, so this is our patio. It looks bad and all until give her a turn. And then we got that beautiful ocean view. What are your thoughts of the room?
Well, we're here.
What are your thoughts?
We're here.
Oh, we're here? Oh, okay. Not bad, not bad. All right, everyone, we're off to breakfast.
So come along and check it out.
To go to his wedding.
All right, so I got the Zicatela Beach breakfast. So I got a poached egg with guacamole and toast. And then I got bacon with it as well. And I got a coffee. And our breakfast is included. We each get 1 plate with the place we're staying at. It's Bungalow Zicatela. And we each get 1 drink, so you can choose coffee or tea. And this is our view.
They even have a pool. It's our view again. It's our view from the top. All this seating. It's a pretty good area of space up here. Got the street here. All these beach bars along the way. Hostels on this side a lot. Over there.
Anyways, enjoy the view. Alright everyone, we are just leaving Bungalow Zicatela to head on over to Bikini Beach House in La Punta, and we're very sad because we really enjoyed our stay at Bungalows. So
Just gonna miss the warm water that they offer there for showers.
I know, showers, it's cold showers at the next place, so we'll let you know how it goes.
Alright guys, we just arrived at our Bikini Beach House in La Punta, and it's different for sure.
We'll show you guys our room. Alright, come on in. Alright, so this is our room. So right here we have a little sink where you can wash your hands. They give you soap and a little cup Not sure what this is for yet. And there's a little baby mirror right here. And then you walk in and we got a king size bed right here. It's really pretty. And it has a little net to protect you from bugs at night with a fan over top. Quite important because there is no AC in this room right now, or at all. So it's gonna be a hot one, so hopefully it's okay. And then if you come on over here, there's a fan too. So we're gonna set that up on this little table right here and have it facing us at night. Hopefully that cools us down. And there's a bigger mirror here. Then they have this little section over here where you can hang up your clothes. And then in here, you can put your dirty laundry. You even have like a little basket for that, so that's pretty cool. All right, now come to the best part. So, this is our balcony. It has sliding glass doors to come out. It has 2 chairs and a table. And this is our view. Alrighty, now if I bring you back inside, I'm going to show you the bathroom. So, the bathroom has no hot water. Not excited about this, but it's quite small. Little shower right here. Little door, see ya. And then a little toilet. And that's about it. All right, so this is the view from outside of our room at the front door. And all the way up there, you can see the mountains. And this is the main La Punta street. So it gets really busy at night specifically. And this is our front door. And check this out. This is the window to our shower.
Oh my goodness.
It's a swivel window. Two weeks gone, just like that. We're all packed up, ready to go.